Here's what I have to do to get this car up and running, to be a daily driver. The first thing, of course, you notice is going to be the top. The top. The top. The top. Yeah, this cushion did its job. Yep, magnetic. Okay. Here's my wood bow. It's been wrapped in tape, and it hasn't been terribly stapled upon outside of just a few. And then of course right here on the edge here. Window frame. Looks to be in okay shape, but it's probably we'll probably need to replace it. This particle board thing, which I don't know, but this really strong string here that they use to thread around here to keep this from tearing, and it's pretty strong. I would have thought that they would have had this, you know, pulled up closer to this thing, because I have to do a lot of cleaning off of the wire with a lot of these, and of course that. So this one has two rods, one on each side, that hold the webbing in. So that's interesting. This is attached through this piece that's attached on top of here, so I'm gonna have to unscrew that in order to get this piece off. Gonna remove the headliner here really soon, but I'm gonna do some wire rolling and repainting and get rid of some of this old glue. It's weird to see it like this. Yeah, same thing over here. I can unscrew, because inside here, can't see it very well, but there's a metal bar. See another metal bar, and it's what holds the screws kind of in place from this weather stripping. And I think I got new weather stripping for all this. I believe I got it for this end and this end. Maybe not for this end, but I did for these two ends. So I may have to reuse this one. So we'll see. Anyway, fun times. Okay, so here is the tensioner cable. In order to access it from the inside, you're going to have to take off this plastic piece here. So just for future reference, that's how you access this. And how much you want to make a bet that's probably a 10 millimeter. But there's the rod that holds headliner in place. Wow, but the window has weighted down, so I think I want to put the top back down. me just cut out the window and just remove the pieces as I can. Yeah, well, anyway. Yeah, let's cut out the window. Let's cut out the window. So, gotta keep the rod. I'm gonna probably keep it in here for now. I've got a new tensioning cable that came with the kit. So this was on its way out. Anyway, look at that. That one was on its way out anyway. Wow. So here's what's remaining. Here's my top, my headliner, and my foam padding from this. Yep. And here's the, I still have to cut and just trim off all the stuff from headliner. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure this is even a proper bow, because I mean, it's been taped over a lot. And in order for me to find out, I'm going to have to take this. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. So, anyway. So, yeah, I'm going to have to do something. Oh, wow. Look at that. See that? I wonder... Oh, don't tell me this is broken. Is it the same as this side? No. Right here. Shoot. I think I might need a new bow, dang it. Well, I got the top off, got the headliner out, except for a couple of spots here where I still need to go through the interior, take it out. I'm a little worried about this bow. Looks like it's just being held together with tape here on this side. The side seems to be pretty solid, so I'm not sure what happened here. It doesn't actually even appear to be a bow. It's very straight on this section, this span here. Well, I guess it does curve a little bit. But here, it's curvy. So I'm going to take this apart, see what's up. That means I have to take all the staples out and then unwrap the tape. I have to do a lot of wire wheeling, and I'm going to repaint these pieces here, get rid of all the glue, and get it ready so I can use it. Yeah, a lot of work to be done. So hopefully I can get this taken care of in the next 2 weeks, where everything is ready to go, so that when I take this over to the shop to actually put on the top, I can get right to work and not have to worry about doing any more prep work for the top. So got my window here, and I don't know how to actually get this out, but I'm gonna learn. I will learn. He says it's absolutely imperative to get this piece replaced, and I think I actually have a piece for that. So this is where I'm starting to get nervous now, because now it's for real. I got to get this top on, this new top that I got.